Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I haven't posted much lately, but I decided to make some muffins today and share the recipe with you. So these are breakfast muffins. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. You are going to need half cup of plain yogurt or Greek yogurt, and in your yogurt you're going to break in 2 large eggs, and make sure you don't break any shells, otherwise be careful and remove it as soon as possible. All right, and then you're going to need a 1/4 cup of milk. It can be almond milk or pure milk or any milk that you have or prefer. And then you're going to give it a quick stir. Next, add in a 1/4 cup of oil. You can use olive oil, vegetable oil, any oil that you have, and then combine all the wet ingredients. Now for the dry ingredients, put in 1.5 cup of flour, plain flour, cake flour, all that. And then into your flour, make sure that you're sifting it. Add in 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. And then add in 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Make sure that you sieve it really nice and thoroughly. Now add in 1/2 cup of sugar and then combine all your dry ingredients. Now when you're done, combine your wet and dry ingredients together. And then stir it nicely until it is well incorporated and there are no lumps. But if you find that your batter is a bit dry, you can add in a tablespoon of milk. Now this is optional, so split the batter into 2, and if you want to add some flavorings, you can add chocolate chips or any fruit like banana, blueberries or anything like that, or you can just leave it plain, it's fine. So for me, I just chopped up some chocolate and just put it in and then just combined it with the batter. So one is plain batter and another one has some chocolate pieces into it just to give it a little flavor. And you're done. You're basically done. Now grease your muffin pan and add in your batter. Finally, then bake at 180 degrees for 20 minutes, and voila, there you have it. Our muffins are ready for your breakfast. Enjoy!